Hi, ciao, welcome to my channel Amore in Cucina. Mi chiamo Patrizia Lombardo and today we make the breadstick, Italian American Grissini. In Italy we call Grissini the breadstick, and we make three kind of the Grissini. One with the sesame seeds, another kind with the black olive, and the plain one with the olio extravergine d'oliva. Okay, the ingredient we use is Nola, it's his recipe, and we use the just all-purpose white flour, water, sugar, yeast, salt, olio extravergine d'oliva, sesame seed and black olive. Let's go make the recipe. Okay, now we get the water and warm it up a little bit, and we put on a teaspoon of sugar, the salt, the yeast, mix a little bit. I warm up the water because it's more easy for the yeast to melt. And then, the last ingredient in the liquid, I put the extravergine d'oliva. Now, when everything is mixed, I get my bowl from the mixer, I put on my flour, and I put on all my liquid together. You can put on everything complete. And now, I go put on my mixer and just finish. See, when the dough, I show you guys when the dough is completely together. Okay, we will use the butterfly. It's more easy because if you put on the hook, it don't get all complete the dough from the bowl. Put on the low speed. And wait until come all together. Put on one step high. You can see now the dough coming all together. And in the hand, we put on a little bit, make it bit stop now. Take it off of my butterfly and clean it with my spatula. We can see that the dough is like elastic. And now we put on a little bit olio extravergine d'oliva on the top. Like that, and help you when you get the dough, and help you for those stick in your hands. Now we get put on inside the oven off until the dough come in the double sides. How the dough is rising inside the oven when it's off, we take it ready my black olive, we chopped it, and the sesame seeds. What we doing? Black olive, we chopped a little bit. Small pieces is better because go inside the dough, you know. Okay, this is ready. Now, this is a little trick I want to tell you guys. The sesame seeds, when you put all the sesame seeds regular like that, dry, nice and dry we put on top of the breadstick. What's it? When it's going in the oven, when it's hot, the breadstick comes dry outside and the sesame seeds pop away. Now, we wait. We put on water on the sesame seeds. Why? The reason, when you put all the sesame seeds wet on top of the dough, don't pop away, it's just to dry up. Now we go wait for the dough is ready and we go make it together. Okay, now after 25 minutes, the dough is ready, it's a double amount, you can see. And we need a cooking sheet. Okay, we warm it up the oven at like 375 degrees. And then we go dump it out the dough. See the extra raggio d'oliva, it's I need it for not sticking my fingers, see? And now I dumped it out on top of the table, but I need a little bit drop of all this raggio d'oliva on the table. And the dough will stick on the table. Now, we separate in three parts because we have three kind of grissini, no? 1, 2, and 3. One part I put on back in the mixer with my black olive. One part I do it plain and one part I do it with the sesame seeds. Okay? We do it the sesame seeds first. What we do it? We just stretch it, the dough and cut it. Cut it. I get the sesame seeds weight, you know, with the water before. And the pass. And I stretch a little bit. And I put on my cooking sheet. And then we're gonna make all the sesame seeds grissini and plus the plain one. Okay, we finish the plain one and we finish the sesame seeds one. And then we go cut the black olive, okay? A thin, try making more thin, but it's don't worry, the shape is not perfect because it's rustic grissini. Okay, just pull from the same side. Okay, when we finish all shape all the grissini, cut all the grissini, we put on the oven for 375 and cook until like color blonde, a blonde color. Not well, depend on what you like. If you like it nice and crunchy, you can more darker. Okay? I'll see you later when it's finished cooked. Okay, let's go see, maybe it's ready. The color is perfect. Oh my god, looks so good. It's a rustic grissini, rustic breadstick from Italy. Anyway, the perfect color, nice and crunchy. I try. Buonissimo. Buon appetito.